everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited because we're going to be talking about my fall Fab Fit Fun box. And I did add-ons on this one. If you're new, I'm Laura. Furry sidekicks with me. Dexter's the beagle. We have Willie and Loki, as well as Harvey's out here. He's our kitty. So lots of furry friends joining me for this unboxing. I think they're going to be really interested in all the other things happening out here and really not me in the unboxing. But hey, if you're new, please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription box. It does come seasonally, so 4 boxes a year. And it is $59.99 a season with a value of up to $300 per box based on your choice items, because you get customizations throughout this entire selection process. If you use my link, which I'll put down below, you'll get $10 towards your first box. And you usually get 6 to 8 full-size products, and these are all premium products, a lot of times female-founded brands. And if you decide to get it annually, just pay for it all up front, you do get a discount. So I think it ends up being about $220. All right, so let's do this. So as I mentioned, this is the fall box. Whenever customizations open, if you have an annual membership, you get to pick your choices first before those that have the seasonal subscription. But you will get like 5 customization options, which I love. And then if you can't live without a second choice item, you can add it on, and it tends to be reasonably priced. So usually like between $20 and $7. So great option if you're trying to stock up on some of those pieces, some of those things you feel you can't live without. Here's what I see when I open my box. So I'm going to start with this first box here, because that's what I saw as soon as I opened it. And this is the Maison Louise Marie number 13 Nouvelle Vague Eau de Parfum. So it's perfume, a 1.7 ounce. So it's a full size. That's what I love about these. You're not getting little testers or small, you know, made for Fab Fit Fun versions. You're getting the full version. So check this out. And let me see what it says about this one. It's valued at $93. It says it's a timeless scent that blends classic elegance with modern edge. Number 13 opens with bright notes of lemon, coconut water, muguet, softens into Tuscan fig and tonka, then settles into warm vetiver, amber, and santal. So, okay, let's do this. I think I do have perfume on, but we're going to make this happen. Oh, this smells really good. I smell the coconut right away. Feels light and airy. I'm enjoying that. So I like this. I'm glad I always get nervous when I pick perfume because I'm not sure I'm going to love it, but I actually really like this one. Perfect. $93. All right. That's the retail. Remember, you pay $59.99 for this box. All right, next up, how about the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask? Look how big this one is. This is 8 full ounces. Can't take it on a plane. But it's a hair mask that's rich and creamy but never weighs hair down. It's packed with vitamins and nutrients to condition your hair, making it soft, silky, and smoother than ever. It retails for $36. I've been looking for a hair mask, so I was excited that they had this as an option. What else have we got? All right, so Elemis is another one. I love the Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So I love to get my beauty products from here when I can get them discounted. This one is one that I like to use. It's valued at $93 as well. And it says experience the award-winning anti-aging cream that's giving people the confidence to go makeup free. The super moisturizing ultralight gel cream quenches thirsty skin and increases hydration up to 248% with the powerful marine and plant actives. And that was 1 ounce I shared with you. What else have I got? Okay, this was an extra that I added on. So it was one of those where I made my choice and then I didn't want to live without this one, and it was very reasonably priced. It's valued at $30, and it's little silicone trivets. It says, darling, you are a work of art. You have the ability to fully display beauty apart from vanity, influence apart from manipulation, style apart from materialism, kindness apart from passivity, strength apart from competition, and dignity without degradation. This is cute. It's from Darling Society. It goes on, but I thought these were great to put those hot items on my counter. So I actually, we built our house, you know, I picked out my countertops. I didn't go with granite or super fancy, but I liked my countertops. And then I realized I was putting hot things on them, and I can see marks on them. So I bought these. I thought they were kind of cool, and they're in neutrals. So I thought I could just throw the hot pots right on top of those. So I love that. I love how fancy all of this is. Dexter's barking at somebody he sees. Okay, so $30 was the retail price of that. Next up is Volition, the Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask. So this is by Volition. It is 2 ounces. It's valued at $47.99. And it says this hydration mask is powered by antioxidant-rich chocolate and macadamia to deeply nourish dry, dehydrated skin, blends beloved ingredients into an innovation formula that replenishes moisture and soothes and smooths. I can't even read all this. It replenishes moisture and smooths uneven texture. It says to use it, apply evenly to clean, dry, or damp skin and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just rinse it off with warm water. All right. I always love a mask. Sometimes I'll leave them on overnight. Okay. Ceremonia. This is guava leave-in conditioner. I don't know about you guys. I have to use leave-in conditioner. Otherwise, I end up not even being, my hair is so fine that I end up not even being able to comb through it. This is Dehydration Repair Cream. This is 6.7 full ounces. It's valued at $27, and it says it's Allure Best of Beauty winner that repairs hair quickly, powered by Superfruit Guava, which protects your hair from UV, Tamarind, which deeply hydrates for maximum shine, and Avocado, which combines frizz. Say hello to smoother, healthier hair. I use a leave-in conditioner every day, so when I saw that one, I knew I had to grab it. Next up, all right, so this is the 4-in-1 skincare wand that smooth, depuff, tighten, soothe, renew, sculpt, tone, lift. So it's got red light therapy, therapeutic warmth, galvanic current, and facial massage. But see how it's like small, so it can get into small areas? So this one is valued at $207, and I believe that this was a like Luxe Choice that I added. It's because it's valued at $207, so I believe it was a Luxe Choice, and I had to like true up a little bit. I want to say maybe they added $50 for me to get this. This award-winning skincare wand combines 4 powerful technologies: red light therapy, galvanic current, and facial massage, and therapeutic warmth to visibly improve skin tone and texture, help smooth the appearance of the fine lines, fade blemishes, reduce puffiness, and boost the absorption of your favorite serums and creams. So think of it as your pocket-sized facialist, ready to deliver that glow up anytime. So I love this. I love that it's the red light therapy because this is something I could pack. So aside from like the whole masks that you get, I probably wouldn't travel with those. You could throw this into your purse or your tote, and off you go if you need a little lift. I like that. All right, we're getting towards the end. I also got the Amika Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle. These are valued at $58. If I see any of the nice shampoos or conditioners that I would like to give a try, the B wants to join us, I will grab them at a discounted price. So these are full size, 9 ounces each, both the shampoo and conditioner, valued at $58 together. It says say goodbye to frizz for up to 72 hours with this powerful duo that delivers up to 74% smoother hair, hydrates without weighing hair down, and creates a protective shield against humidity. I always need that. My hair frizzes. You guys have probably seen me when I just wear it natural. It's super curly, so when I try to straighten it, I get a lot of frizz. This bee's hanging out with me right now. Next up is Cara Silk, and this is multi-benefit hair oil, valued at $34. It's a lightweight yet nourishing hair oil that blends biomimetic silk and shea oil to deliver smoothness and shine. It offers powerful heat protection. and it seals split ends and tames flyaways for frizz-free hair. Lasts up to 72 hours. It's completely vegan, and the hair oil from Cara Silk is a versatile addition to your care routine. You can tell how much I stay with anti-frizz type products, so I was excited to give this one a try. Keep in mind, I customized all of these. You could pick completely different pieces if something else is what would fit into your lifestyle better. And my last item I should have shared with the Solar Wave wand. These two came together for that $207 value. This is the Light Boost Wand Activating Serum. So you actually use this serum with the wand, and it says about it that it's a lightweight serum specifically formulated to work with your Solar Wave skincare wand to deeply hydrate, optimize wand performance, and provide radiance-enhancing benefits, leaving skin with a velvety finish that layers seamlessly under the rest of your skincare routine. And that is all of the items that I got in this box. I think I got 2 of them all. Yep, that's it. I think this was fun. Like, I'm loving these little trivets. These are just practical, right? Like, inexpensive, but totally practical. And I love that they have the little flower-like look to them. To all of my beauty products, the leave-in conditioner, the hair oil, the hydrating mask, my overnight soul food nourishing mask for the hair, perfume, I'm going to smell so good, my daily moisturizer, my red light therapy and serum, and of course shampoo and conditioner. I've got all the basics covered and then some. All right, and that's a wrap. Thanks for hanging out with me today to see what was in my Fab Fit Fun fall box. Can't wait to hear what you liked, and let me know if you've used any of these products and how you use them, and any recommendations. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Of course, as I said, I'll put all this information down below in case you would like to give Fab Fit Fun a try and get that $10 off. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.